kids, welcome back to our English video lesson. So for this lesson, we are going to talk about using object pronouns correctly. So this is the lesson 12 of all of your English. So in our last lesson, we talked about subject pronouns, and these subject pronouns have their own object pronoun counterparts. Okay, so subject pronouns are the pronouns that we usually put at the beginning of the sentence. Usually, they are the subject of your sentence. Talk about these subject pronouns. But for object pronouns are the receiver of the actions, and you can usually find them at the latter part of the sentence. So let me show you here. So I have here a picture of subject to object pronouns. So the noun, the object pronouns replaced are the same with the subject pronoun. So most of the time, they are the same, but you use a different word for it because it now has a different function in the sentence. So it is not the subject of the sentence anymore. It's the receiver of the action. So for example, the word I is the subject pronouns. So instead of using I, for your pronoun, you will use the word me. Okay, so the you, by the way, you and it will still be the same for subject and object pronouns. He will become him for object pronouns. She will become her for object pronouns, and then they will become them. So I'm going to show you examples on how to use these sentences. So for example, you have your personal pronouns he. Okay, so your personal pronoun will become him. The personal pronoun she will become her. The personal pronoun it and you will still be he. So again, like the personal pronoun he, him is used to replace a male person name or a male person noun. Her is used to replace a female person or the female noun. And it is used to replace the name of an object, animal, or event. And then, while you is used to refer to the person being spoken to. So when you use you, it can be both for one noun or for a lot of nouns. You can speak for those words. So object pronouns usually appear after the verb. So let's look at an example. Mary ate the ice cream. Mary ate it. So for the first sentence, here is our verb. The verb is an action word. It plays an action or movement. And ice cream is the noun. So if we're going to change the noun into a pronoun, we will use the word it. So here is your second sentence. Mary ate is the verb again, and then we change ice cream to it. Okay, so object pronoun is it. Remember, the words it and you will not change. They have the same form, but different functions in the sentence. Although they have the same spelling. This word. Okay, object pronouns answer the questions what or whom. So for example, here we have another sentence. Lisa enjoyed the movie. Lisa enjoyed it. So your verb again, or the word that shows action is enjoyed, and the word movie, or the movie, is the noun. We're going to change the movie, which is a noun. This one, we're going to write it as the word it, which is an object pronoun. So it answers the question what or whom. What did Lisa enjoy? She enjoyed the movie. Okay, she enjoyed it. So let's look at this object pronoun chart. So again, for object pronouns, we can use different object pronouns for different persons or viewpoints of persons. We have first person, second person, and third person. So we discussed this in our lesson 11, during our lesson 11 discussion. So first person is the person that is speaking. Second person is the person that you are talking with or talking to, and then the third person are the people that you are referring to, which is not in front of you. Okay, away from, they're away from you. And then the number of nouns, it can be singular or plural. If it's only one, then you will use these nouns, me, you, he, her. And then if you're talking about plural nouns, then you will use us, you, and them. Okay, so we will have more examples to practice using these different object pronouns. So what is the object pronoun for the underlined words below? So we are going to look at underlined words. So look at Mia and Cassie. So Mia and Cassie are plural nouns because they are two girls, two names. So if you're going to talk about their names and you are not the person you're referring to, you're talking about people that is not with you, so you can say look at them. Okay, so you change Mia and Kathy to the word them. Okay, so it's in a third person in plural form. So to use the third person plural form, we're going to look at this chart again. So third person plural form, them, because we're talking about two nouns. Okay, so next, what is the correct object pronoun for the underlined words below? So the monkey is eating a banana. A banana. So it's only one, so you can change it to the word it. Okay, so you have your verb eating and then followed by your object pronoun. Okay, so this is in singular form in third person. Third person. Okay, next we have another sentence. Jenny bought a bag. Okay, so instead of saying Jenny bought a bag, you can change the bag or a bag into it. Jenny bought it. Bought is the verb and it is the object pronoun. Okay, so that's it for our object pronouns discussion. I hope you understand the lesson. If you have more questions, you can just message me, comment in this post, or you can send an email. You know my email address. So I will see you all in our next discussion. Bye, class.